Warning: this assignment requires us to list our sources that we used in preparation of making this film. The first source we used was biologyjunk.com. We also used library.think.org. Please do not try to copy the contents of this film. If you do, we will try our best to persecute you to the fullest extent of the law.
Oh dear Lord, this hot tub feels like heaven on earth. I had such a long and stressful day today. I really need to relax in here. I still can't even fathom what we learned in biology today. All the different parts of a cell and whatnot. Wait, this hot tub totally relates to biology. So this hot tub would be like the cell wall because
the cell wall provides support and structure for the cell.
Right now, I'm sitting up against the plasma membrane.
The plasma membrane is the outer layer of the cell that controls the cellular traffic.
This temperature control device is like the nucleus because it maintains the water quality, which is also a perfect example of homeostasis.
The nucleus is like the brain of the cell.
Currently, I find myself marinating in this perfectly crystal clear water, which is similar to the cytoplasm of a cell.
Cytoplasma is the substance that fills the cell.
But how could the hot tub's filtration system relate to that of a cell? Well, first we have the pre-filter, and that's just like the endoplasmic reticulum.
The smooth endoplasmic reticulum stores, separates, and serves as the cell's transport system. The rough endoplasmic reticulum has the same purpose as the smooth endoplasmic reticulum, but has ribosomes embedded in it. Ribosomes are protein factories either floating in the cytoplasm or embedded in the rough ER. The Golgi apparatus is the protein packaging plant for the cell.
Now Jeffrey adds chlorine to the hot tub and always remembers his famous saying, "It puts the chlorine in the drain or else it gets the hose again." Jeffrey adds the chlorine granules to the water, which is like the lysosomes of the hot tub apparatus.
Lysosomes break down molecules for the cell.
Sometimes when Jeffrey is away from the hot tub for an extended amount of time, he uses chlorine tablets instead. He puts these tablets into the chlorine skimmer, which is like the vacuole of a cell.
The vacuole stores food matter and toxic waste.
Sometimes, however, the water quality is beyond repair, in which case Jeffrey must perform a water change. This is first done by draining the water, or cytoplasms if you will, by using this nifty little draining spout, which is like the vesicle of a cell.
The vesicle is a membrane-bound sac for storage and waste or water removal.
Unfortunately, though, my hot tub is not solar powered like that of a plant cell. It is powered by electricity, which is similar to the mitochondria of a cell.
The mitochondria breaks down sugar molecules into energy for the cell.
Well, I guess that takes care of all the components of a cell. I'll never be able to hot tub the same way, ever again.
It was fun and very relaxed.
It was very relaxed, and I liked how Mr. Perkins related things to his own life. Go.
I thought that a lot of this class was review and pretty repetitive. The links should be organized into some biology homepage so we don't have to type them out and struggle to find them. Professor Perkins is a really nice guy. He laughs all the time too, which is pretty entertaining.
My least favorite class activity was where we walked around and guess what part of the cell you were, and I didn't really learn much from that, so. My favorite one was the step counting, because we made Jeff do the workout part.
I liked when we went around the classroom and did our speed dating parts of the cell activity. It was nice to actually do something and get to know people in our classroom.
That one time we all just tried to guess what part of the cell we were when we were walking around in a circle in the classroom, and it didn't work out at all. We ended up spending 30 minutes doing nothing.
I thought homeostasis was interesting to learn about, especially how the body maintains a balance under specific conditions. It was also nice learning about the relationship with his wife.
My favorite topic was learning about how your body turns sugar into ATP, since it ties into my health class.
My favorite topic was the homeostasis, because it's how everything stays alive.
It was really interesting to find out how our body loses fat cells, simply through urinating. Like, OMG.
And something unique is how Mr. Perkins relates it all to his real life and makes everything funny, and even if it isn't, he still laughs. You're not putting that in, right?
And something unique I learned from you, Mr. Perkins, was a happy wife is a happy life.
Okay, it makes me sound like a bear. Just like,
Well, that's what he sounds like.
is it
Lower,
3 or is it
lower.
2?
3 and 2. 3. 3 and 2.5.
He's like breathing already.
Okay, I don't know. It's creepy. I don't get in character.